Alright, I'm gonna give y'all a quick shortcut video on how to fix an HP notebook laptop BIOS that might have not upgraded right for some reason. Well, I was researching and I couldn't figure out what was going on. So the cap block was blinking about 2 times, and I looked it up on a computer, and that means it's a corruption problem. So to fix that, what you need to do is go to HP website. There's a link up there, but go to their website, type your model number in, and download the BIOS recovery. Now it's gonna look something like let me restart it and go to create recovery USB. Make sure there's nothing on your a blank USB, and it's gonna turn it into like a boot. So all you do is plug that up and hold the power button on, and the menu should pop up. I just did it, so I can't redo it right now, but a menu will pop up. Once that menu pop up, it'll start doing this process. It'll restart a few times, but that's how to fix a corrupted BIOS on an HP notebook, or maybe any other HP Polygon, or however you say it. But for this model right here, that's what I did to fix that. So quick rundown. If your caps lock is blinking 2 times, BIOS problem. Go to HP website, download the recovery and the blank USB. Make sure there's nothing on there. Put it in here. Press the power button. Make sure that's obviously the power plug is plugged in, and it'll pretty much do its thing. Restart a few times, and that should take care of your problem. Also, it'll update the BIOS too as well. So yeah, that's how you fix that. Also, I had to, well, I'm not sure if you have to do this, but I changed the battery out on here, got a new battery, put new RAM in here to upgrade it, but I had to open it up and all that. You know, these HP laptops, you gotta disassemble the damn whole back just to get into it. I hate HP, but that's what you gotta do. You don't have to change this battery if ain't nothing wrong with it, but I was just going through the normal steps to see if that was the problem. So while I had it open, I just changed the battery, put more RAM in it, and stuff like that. All right, so that's how you do that.